else. You get that sort of response anything. Really? Yeah. Last 4 years.
Wash over me, leave me far from my surroundings. You take over me, over every rushing memory. If only for one moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me. Up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me, fill my lungs with the air your heart is breathing. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. In the grip of your arms, far from where I know, or to see the other side, show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance. I see you're on to me, and there's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further then the storms appear, and lines all fade in time. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Dear friends, since God so loved us, we also ought to love one another. Not that we loved God, but that He loved us and gave Himself. And there it is. It moves through us, and it moves into marriage, which is the closest human relationship that we can experience that kind of love, and it's a covenant relationship. And that's what love is. It's not an emotion. It's way more than that. It's a commitment, and it's a covenant. And it comes from God, and it moves through us here. And it moves through you too today, and that's why we're here to celebrate with you guys and to support you. All right. Cullen and Sarah, by the authority vested in me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, according to the laws of the state of Michigan, now pronounce you husband and wife. Cullen, you may kiss your bride.
Start running. That ain't water! No! No! That ain't water. Start running. Over here. Yeah, we can do above knees.